Hello traders, it's almost noon today on the 12th of June. It's a Monday and not a good start to the week. I've been trying to trade, but the zigzag market in the morning caught me on the bottom, caught me on the rise, so I really didn't have a direction to the market. So right now I'm in a trade which I bought over here, somewhere over here at 203, heavily invested. It almost touched my first target, it didn't cross it, so I held on and then it came back down into my red zone. My stop loss, I bought it at 203. My stop loss is a candle closing below 190. Now my first target is 219, the second target is 235. So I'm just waiting for some action to happen because Bank Nifty has been moving in a 100-point range for the past 3 hours. So I really don't know where the market is going to break out, but looking at this, that it is having a support at the bottom over here, and now it's somewhat a triangle pattern. So I am just waiting to see which side it breaks. Now this is probably going to my stop loss level. The current loss that I have right now is around 5,000. So I'm not really happy about that. But I'm just going to wait and watch because 44,000 is holding. Now either it breaks this high over here above 44,040, or it breaks the low which has been taking continuous support at 43,955. So again, now there is some decay. Now see, even if it's pumping up a bit, there is not much fall. It is still holding the level over here. If this breaks and starts going down, then yes, I will exit, and probably my loss will expand to 7 to 8,000 rupees for the day. I'm waiting. Let's see what happens. Right, traders. 12 time is almost 12:40, and this has been troubling me a lot. 44,000 put option. As you can see, my current loss is around the 5,000 mark. So I'm still waiting for this to break above and close above VWAP over here, which is at 208. Once that happens, I will shift my stop loss to 205, which is 3 points out of cost. So it dipped, went below my stop loss level, and then came back up. And I waited because I knew the indicators are going to show a reversal, and this is what happened. Now I want to show you one interesting thing over here. This is the first drop, second drop, okay, and then the third drop. Now look at Bank Nifty chart, okay. The first drop, second drop, the third drop, they're all in one single line, okay. This is all in one single level, and just see this, what happens over here, okay. It comes here, and then this third one, it goes so far down. That is where I thought, okay, why this is stopping right over here, okay. It didn't break these highs, so there is definitely not going to be any further decay, but this was just a trap to get the put buyers out. So I didn't fall for the trap. I'm still at over here over. So now 203, as you can see, it's at my buy level again. I'm waiting for it to break out, and then I'll shift my stop loss and cost. You can see the pop up over here. So even my loss is starting to reduce. That's a good thing. So let's see what happens, guys. This is really annoying today. It's just a zigzag market. There has to be some movement out of this range. Decay is going on, losing points over here, just holding the trade. So put buyers and call buyers are all being trapped. Let's see what happens. Okay, traders, what happened here is the spike came out, went above my first target at 219, hit a high of around 226, and then just started falling after that because I shifted my stop loss to cost over here. Now what I did is it came back, and now since the green has gone above the red, I have taken a call option at 208, exactly over here. Okay, now my stop loss would be this swing over here, which is around 22 points. Okay, I just took 4 quantities, so that's 100 quantity. So I'm risking 2,200 over here, and the current profit loss is showing around 4,200. I'm not worried about that. I have the capacity to hold this. So now it's starting to break out again, and I'm going to wait for these highs to break. Now 208, target the first target will be 224, which is over here, and the next target would be 240, which is over here. So I have 100 quantity. I'm going to book 2 lots over here. I'm going to hold them 2 lots at stop loss over here, and then I'll book 1 lot over here, and then see how much more we can gain. Over here it is looking quite weak. There is a chance of this low breaking, and if the low breaks, yes, we will see a very good fall. Now where that fall will be, I'll just put it on the 15-minute time frame. 43,846 is the first support, and then there is 43,780. So if we see those barriers breaking, then yes, we can book some really good profits, about 40 to 50 points I'm expecting. Coming back to the 5 minute time frame, as you can see, it came down. It's trying to take a price action and continue falling. So even RSI is weak now. Even MACD is showing weakness, and even the futures, it did not break this level yet. So I'm really counting on it now that the green has come above the red and SAR is supporting from below. Let's see if these highs are broken, because when there are sellers in the market, they'll short it here, they'll short it here, and that's why this downfall came. Now, if these levels are taken out one by one, then the stop losses will start getting hit, and this can really rocket. Let's wait for that and see. Okay, traders, good day, turn bad, turn good, turn bad. See what happened now. Okay. Uh, Again, still in the same 80 to 100 point range. Little dips, little spikes, and the options were going berserk. 203 was sorry, 208 was my buy point. It went and then came back down. And when this rejection came over here, I bought it again at 208. Now when it broke out, and I put a stop loss over here at 181, and guess what happened? Exactly comes and hits it. So right now the loss is showing us 8,000. It's not exactly 8,000, because this is a trade I closed, Bajaj Auto, and we'll add that 450 back. And this is also a trade I closed, uh, 43 400. We'll have to add that back. So all in all, 700 plus, so around 800. So 7,200 is the current loss that is running. The booked losses are 4,800 to 2,000 and 2,800. So that's 7,600. Also, I have a profit of 1,500. So 6,100 is my current loss for the day. I really don't know what Bank Nifty is up to, but there is a move that is going to happen. I don't know if it's again going to fall down, or is it again going to shoot up, or is it going to range, because there is barely any theta decay. It's just the spikes. You see this from 214 all the way to 181. So a 30 point plus drop in one candle, and then again it's trying to shoot its way back up. So I think I'm done for the day. I'm not going to take any more risks, because I have passed my risk capacity for a single day. I'm just going to sit back and check if there is a chance. See, now it's going back up. 208 was my buy point. Now it's at 195. So this is what the market does, guys. It will just hunt, push you out, go up. That's why in these zigzag markets, it's better to scalp than to stay in a trade and look for direction. So that's all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much.